Hi guys, this is the video tutorial for the train track join. And as you can see here, it resembles a train track. Please don't pay any attention to all these loose ends because they're still attached to the ball and I'm going to take them apart later on. It's just for this project, hence the stitch markers. What you do, you start with one square, you crochet around and then you attach the next one and the third one and so on. The third one could also be here, whatever you prefer. In each corner you crochet 2 loops and then it's followed by a single crochet in the next stitch, loop, single crochet, loop, and so on. Yeah, I guess it's best to just show you what I'm doing. This side is done. So this is the first loop in the corner. This is for the second loop, so one chain, then you keep the back sides together. You go through the loop, and then you make a single crochet. Then a chain and a slip stitch in the corner. The next stitch is a single crochet, and then it's followed by a loop again, and the loop is made by a slip stitch, chain, a single crochet through the loop, chain, and then a slip stitch, single crochet, slip stitch, chain, single crochet through the loop, chain, slip stitch, single crochet. See? So you continue until you're in at the corner, and then you attach this one, which is the last one on this side, and then you make the second loop and you connect it to this one. And then you have a little square in the middle. And then you just go on and on and on until you have a really nice blanket. Enjoy!